Hello, welcome to Gatsby GH. This is your girl next door. If you're right, we're talking about the Oscars today, the Academy Awards. Did you know that for many years the Oscars were often the second most watched television program of the year, next behind the Super Bowls? I bet you didn't know. Yes, when you watch Gatsby GH, you learn new things every day. Good. So the 95th Academy Awards, which aired Sunday night on ABC, was viewed by an estimated 18.7 million, making it the highest viewership in 3 years. This is a sign that people are coming back with new momentum and new confidence in the Academy. The red carpet of the Oscars was uncontrollably magical on Sunday night. If you missed it, don't worry, we got you covered. Because you know what? In this video, we're going to be showing you a glimpse of the highlights of everything that happened at the events. So sit back and enjoy. Get your wine and let's chill together. Let's start with Jamie Lee Curtis. Jamie Lee Curtis won the Best Supporting Actress award for her role in Everything Everywhere All at Once. Her dress was designed by Dolce & Gabbana. The 64-year-old veteran actress was beautiful and elegant. Let's move on to Angela Bassett. Ooh, Angela, yes. Queen Ramona of the Black Panther Wakanda Forever wore a purple moschino gown with full sleeves, mermaid hem, and dazzling necklace. This super iconic star looked regal, timeless, and sophisticated on all grounds. Rihanna is expecting her second child. She's laid in a sheer turtleneck dress that only she can pull it off like the way she did. The dress had a leather halter bra and a woven leather fishtail skirt with multi-mini slits down the sides. And if you saw that, that was giving fashion, you know? Even though the dress wasn't one of my favorite, it still made it onto this, video because it was very, very beautiful, and it's Riri. Let's move on to Cara Delevingne. Cara Delevingne put her supermodel skills to good use. She wore a voluminous Elisa haute couture gown with an oversized bow at the shoulder and high slit. She also bedazzled it with lots of jewelry, and her look gave us a flawless representation of modern glamour and style. Lady Gaga, nominated for Best Song, wore a bold, dramatic sheer long sleeves gown with drop waist and full skirt. She completed her look with red lipstick and Tiffany & Co jewelry. Her dress was designed by Versace. It was straight from the runway. Gigi Hadid wore that on the runway 3 days just before the Academy Awards at the Paris Fashion Show. Denai Guerrera is one of the female soldiers of Black Panther Wakanda Forever. Vogue.com wrote, the best way to elevate a red carpet look is with a hairstyle that literally increases your aesthetic altitude. Denai said, this is my African self coming out here. You know, this is a tribute to all the women who carry amazingly things on their heads with an outstanding poise at all times. Kudos to all of us, here who remember back in Ghana when we used to go to the farm and carry all these big firewoods or big food, on a tray on our heads, and coming and still singing and dancing whilst that thing is on our head. Kudos to all of us. If you're still watching this, and I'm pretty sure you're liking it, make sure to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And also, everything that you see here, I'm going to put the link also in the description box. So if you like a fascinator, if you like some jewels from Fashion Nova, whatever it is, some necklaces, my custom made African dress shirts, you check the link. Let's move on to Jessica Chastain. Jessica Chastain wore a very beautiful Hollywood glamour in shimmering strapless silver crystal and sequins Gucci dress. The exquisite sequins dress had a deep V neckline and a dramatic black fishtail train, giving us a representation of a true Hollywood star. That's exactly what she is. Janelle Monáe. Janelle Monáe wowed us all with a custom black and orange Vera Wang look. The stunning two-piece ensemble had a plunging bra top with a barely attached skirt that showed a peak of her ass. And she wore jewels from Riza, including a bold black choker and diamond earrings. Her dress was a stunning blend of artistry and fashion, hands down. Actress fan bang bang. The actress wore one of the night's biggest trends, emerald green. In a major way, her sequins gown had silver fringes and an emerald with dramatic sleeves. She completed her look with green earrings and a silver clutch. Please continue to watch this and continue to subscribe and continue to share, and don't forget to leave a comment, okay? Sofia Carson. Don't go anywhere, because Sofia Carson's, ensemble will just wow you. She wore a Giambattista Valle haute couture design gown. The ensemble, which was a custom white draped silk chiffon off-shoulder crop top with twisted cutouts and an asymmetrical waist ball gown skirt, was the serial moment and arguably the best look of Sofia's red carpet experience. Sophia also wore a topaz necklace with 122.49 carats of emeralds and a 92.57 carats in fine gold, and this necklace came with its own security. Yes, there were bodyguards guarding that necklace. You heard me right. See, the rich are enjoying. Let's move on to Halle Bailey. Halle Bailey is a young actress. She is a star of Little Mermaid movie. She wore an aquamarine colored gown designed by Dolce & Gabbana. The tulle floor-length gown was paired with a blue ensemble with a sparkling diamond necklace and earrings. She completed the looks with her hair pulled back into an updo that was everything princessy. Now let's move on to Halle Berry, our Halle Berry, the one that we know for a long time. Halle Berry had her leg up on the Oscars fashion on Sunday night. The 56-year-old actress heated up the Oscars red carpet on Sunday night in a white dress by Tamara Raff, attended with her boyfriend Van Hunt. Her dress had an ultra-high slit and glittering floral train that wowed all her fans. The satin gown was embellished with rose gold crystal flowers along the neckline and at the top of the slits. She wore a simple pair of gold hoops by Pomellato as not to compete with the jeweled roses that was all over the dress. She was giving us sexy and glam. Ariana DeBose. Let's talk Ariana. A year after Ariana DeBose made history at the Oscars with her Best Supporting Actress win, she made another history on Sunday night with a glamorous return to the red carpet. Ariana wore a white Atelier Versace gown with silver embellishment and an Omega timepiece at the Oscars, another gorgeous ensemble. She paired the dazzling number with silver-heeled sandals, diamond jewels, and an Omega timepiece. I mean, if you're still watching, I know you are liking what you're seeing. Please click on that subscribe button, and ring notification bell so that you will see all the new videos that I upload. Ashley Graham commanded attention at the Academy Awards on Sunday night. The 35-year-old model showed off her hourglass curve in a stunning black gown with transparent panels and a high neck cape. The mother of two twins and a 3-year-old boy shared a beautiful mom-to-mom moment with Rihanna as Rihanna joyfully rubbed her baby bum, telling us that I've been ready for this baby long time ago. It was such a beautiful moment seeing both moms together, sharing some beautiful, joyful moments together. This brings us to the end of our video. If you're still watching, I know you're liking it. please subscribe if you haven't done that already, and join the movement because we're having such a beautiful time on this platform. And please make sure that I notice your presence, so that make sure I notice your presence. So leave a comment, okay? Leave a comment because we're having such an amazing time on this platform. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. For all of those who continuously follows me and watch my videos and spend their precious time to watch these videos, share and comment and watch over and over again to support a sister out, thank you so much, and God bless you all. Don't forget, I'm going to be showing other videos as well, other fashion videos, new trends, and I'm decorating my house and my room, so I'm going to be doing a lot of unboxing and my furnitures, and my DIY paintings. And so you know what, I want you to continue watching this channel, okay? Keep watching this channel because a lot of goodies are coming your way. Thank you. Bye bye.